Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Kiba, and for today's read aloud, we are going to be reading one of my favorite books. It's called How to Be a Lion, and we know that the author of the book is the person who writes the book, and the illustrator of the book is the person who makes the pictures. But in this book, the author and the illustrator is the same, and it's by Ed Veer. So this is How to Be a Lion, written and illustrated by Ed Veer. All right. How to Be a Lion. The world is full of ideas, big ones and small ones, good ones and bad ones. Some think this and others think that. Some say, there's only one way to be a lion. They say, lions are fierce. If they catch you, they will chomp you. Crunch, crunch, chomp, chomp. They say, a lion can't be gentle. Well, they haven't met Leonard. Leonard loves to walk by himself, feeling the sun warm his back and the grass under his paws. Some days, Leonard walks to his thinking hill. Do you guys have somewhere in your house that you go to when you want to get away or think about something? Just like Leonard goes to his thinking hill. Sometimes he thinks important thoughts. Sometimes he daydreams. And somewhere in between, he hums quietly and plays with words, putting them together this way, then that way, making them into poems. Some say, wait! Lions are not gentle. Lions do not write poems. And if a lion met a duck, bad luck for that duck. Crunch, crunch, chomp. But if Leonard met a duck, what do you think would happen? What do you think would happen? We know that Leonard, he's really gentle. Do you think that it would be bad luck for that duck? Let's see. Hello, said Leonard. I'm Leonard. Hello, said the duck. I'm Marianne. I'm writing a poem, said Leonard, but I'm stuck. Will you help me? You're in luck, said Marianne. I'm a poetic duck. I heard some rhyming words. Stuck and luck and duck. Together they played with Leonard's poem until the words came unstuck. Leonard and Marianne found that they liked each other. Under the sun in the long grass, they lay together. They played together. They went for walks and had long, meandering conversations, a mixture of quacks and quiet roars. At night, they watched for shooting stars and made wishes if they saw them. Have you guys ever saw a shooting star? You ever seen one? And made a wish when it goes across the sky? Do you think the universe has edges? Quacked Marianne. If it doesn't, said Leonard, will we fall out? Together they are happy. They wish for nothing more than this. Some say that a lion should have chomped a duck by now. One day, oh no, a pack of fierce lions came prowling around. What's going on here? They growled. Why hasn't this duck been chomped? Well, this duck is Marianne, said Leonard, and she's my friend, and nobody will chomp her. The fierce lions came closer. We heard you're gentle. We heard you make up poems. But not chomping a duck? You've gone too far. The fierce lions growled and roared. There is only one way to be a lion. Leonard, you must be fierce. But maybe Leonard doesn't want to be fierce. Must I be fierce? Said Leonard. Must I change? They're wrong, quacked Marianne, and we will show them why. Leonard and Marianne went to their thinking hill. They thought really hard. After a while, Leonard hummed a serious hum. An idea started to form. Marianne quacked a serious quack, and the idea grew. They put their words together, like this, like that, building them into a poem that made sense of what they thought. And finally, they were ready. What do you think they were ready for? Let's see. Leonard took a deep breath. Can you take a deep breath with me? I'll say this quietly. I don't have to roar to be heard. I can be a friend to a bee or a bird. You said I must change. I must chomp, Marianne. But chomping your friends is a terrible plan. I agree. Let nobody say just one way is true. There are so many ways that you can be you. If there must be a must, then this you must try. Why don't you be you, and I will be I? Some say words can't change the world. Leonard says, if they make you think, then maybe they can. Is there just one way to be a lion? I don't think so. Do you? Do you think that all lions have to be fierce? I don't think so. Being a gentle lion has worked out pretty well for Leonard. And so he said that in How to Be a Lion, that you can just be you and I can be I, and there's no one way to be yourself. And so I think this is why I love this book so much. So I hope you really enjoyed it, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.